85K, give me to the end of summer to pay it. Let's go. Worst case scenario, definitely breaking even. This is a really crazy thing I just did. All right, time to work. Where's that ametrine at? That I need. Someone was asking me for it.
Well, there you go.
That's what I said on the way up here. You know, I want it to be under 6 figures.
This is all high grade. This is mostly high grade.
Last time I was here, it was at 250, which I was like, there's no way. And I think now he's in that place where he wants it just done, which is what I've been waiting for, is the reasonable conversation, which is what just took place. I know this is probably anxiety for you.
Oh, no, this is great.
Yeah? No, you're good? I'm taking more of the risk than he is right now because I just went blind. This is a really crazy thing I just did. I know you told me not to do it, but I know what was here last time, but I don't know what's here now.
They are bases.
For what?
Hey.
Hair follicles? This weird shit, Bernie, I don't want weird shit. Like, whatever, what is that? I'm gonna just take it, and then little by little, I'll go through it over the, you know, the course of time. It's in there.
Fire opals.
Fire opals from where? Mexico?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Oh, yeah?
See how they glitter?
Yeah. I just bought warehouse. Is this all Larimar in here?
Those are all chrysocolla.
This?
Yes.
It looks like Larimar, doesn't it?
What do we gotta do?
We gotta go through all of it, consolidate it. Half of it's chrysocolla, half of it's Larimar. Chrysocolla, Larimar.
You know, but it's all the same mine, all the same deposit. That's the funky thing.
So what's gonna happen is right now we're gonna take as much stuff as we can, and then we'll have to come back and palletize everything.
I just wanted to make sure you saw these.
What is
I'm
it?
pretty sure these are New Jersey.
New Jersey Ruby? Huh? Lime Crest?
I'm pretty sure that's where they're from.
I've seen Lime Crest Ruby before.
Yeah, I'm like 90%.
Yeah. This is all spheres. That's categorized as a sphere section. These are calcite. People would call optical calcite, but they're really just honey calcite. Well, they are optical calcites, but the thing is that most people get confused between Iceland spar, which is an optical calcite, and then honey optical calcites or other kinds of calcites. So, like, if you can see like just how much I've been able to, you know, it's gonna be a lot to go through this. Like, what really got me there is one. He has a couple of fossils in here that I know for a fact are worth around, like, retail value, 30K. But it's broken.
What is it, an alligator head?
Yeah, Mesosaurus. So I know that there's a couple pieces in here that definitely, without like going through each and every box and looking through every single thing, are gonna, you know, equate to 30K. I also have to start contacting people to some degree and being like, hey, would you...
This is coming.
Would you like, yeah, well, also, would you like, you know, the yada yada? Because there's a lot of stuff here that I have no business with. Magic eggs. What's a magic egg? Yeah, opalite?
If you dunk them in water or close your hand around them, they change to blue. It shifts to blue.
Oh yeah, you're right. You know, and probably what I'll do is I'll do a live sale of just collection.
What is it?
That's worth $1,000 right there. Aquamarine and tanzanite gemstones. That's $1,000 box right there. Bingo. This is a good. Now we're cooking. Now we found some. So this is like literally a box full of gemstone. Literally rubies at the bottom of this box. What's kind of crazy about this is that, you know, this looks like all stuff that happened probably around, say this was in the 80s, all of this stuff. Emeralds also during the 80s is when the price of gemstones was a little bit more reasonable. I have not gone through any of it at all, but my assessment is probably, this is like, say it was like maybe like $8,000-9,000 probably here. And yeah, these are great. These are GIA certified emeralds, so that's even better. And I'm gonna say right now, like probably if I drop this off to like a jeweler and was like, what do you want for this? I'm probably looking at like 16, 17K. Little garnets, yellow topaz, molybdenumite, that's crazy. Alexandrite right here. People may ask me for Alexandrite. I hope there's another box like this somewhere. There you go. Okay, now we're cooking. Okay, this is going to be like another box that's worth like around like $6-7 grand right here alone. So the worst case scenario so far, it looks like I'm definitely breaking even. So that's good news. Like, not all, just because something's a gemstone doesn't make it valuable. There's a lot more to it than that. But like, there's certain stuff I'm seeing here, like anything opal, it can be really good news. There's a lot of like watermelon, tourmaline stuff, tanzanite, sapphire. Nowadays, everything is like fake stuff, synthetic stuff, lab grown stuff. So This is a good news thing, you know, for sure. This is good news.